Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. In this video, we will be learning on how to delete a row from existing data in Pandas. Before we start, if you're new to Python, don't worry. We had prepared our complete playlist where we explain everything you need to know. So please watch our playlist mentioned above. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out your learning. To access our Excel file, simply double-click on it, and it will automatically open with Microsoft Office. We can see the first row name, and we will highlight it by color so when we run our code, we can easily re-verify it. So, let's start with Python. First, import the pandas as PD, then read the Excel file using the read CSV function. Next, to delete a row, you need to specify the index of the row that you want to delete. You can do this using the drop function. For example, to delete the first row of your data, you would use the following code. df is equal df.drop, and in bracker, specify the row number, for example, first row, so it starts 0. Here, df is the name of your pandas data frame, and 0 is the index of the row that you want to delete. Once you have deleted the row that you want, you can save the new data frame as an Excel file using the df.csv function. Here, we had saved a new file name by output. Then run the code. After running the code, we will go to the path where we had saved the file, and we'll open it. As you can see, our new file has delted our first row, that it's for this. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on your learning. Our upcoming next video, we will be discussing how to remove the null values.